What was that? Is someone belching? Or am I hearing things, guys? Can you tell me if there's someone belching in my house? Am I about to be robbed? Okay, that's it, guys. I'm getting up. There's no one there. What do you think it could be?